Okay, so for this example, we have that David bought a pair of shoes for $50. There was a discount on the shoes for 10% off, and the tax was 5%. We want to know the total price. So here, the original cost for the pair of shoes is $50. And then we have a discount for 10% off and tax for 5%. And we want to know the total price. So keeping in mind here, that when we do these problems, we are going to have percent on percent. So that means we cannot just simply add the discount of the 10% with the tax of the 5%. We have to calculate two different percentages. So for discount, we're going to do that first. So for discount, we're going to remember that this is going to be our original times 1 minus the rate. So you remember that for discount, that's the only time when we're subtracting, because discount is that we're taking away from the cost. So our original cost here is $50. And we're going to do 1 minus our rate, where our rate is the percent as a decimal. So if you remember, we can go up here and we can take this 10%, move our decimal 2 places to get 0.10. All right, so now we're ready to do this computation. So we're going to do 50 times 1 minus 10%. So we can go to our calculator. We're going to do 50, open parentheses, 1 minus 10%. And that is going to give us $45. So the original price was $50. It discounted down to $45. Now we have to worry about our tax. So tax is the amount that the government is going to charge based on our purchase. So we have sales tax of 5%. So we're going to spend more money because that money is going to be going to the government. So we're going to have our original times 1 plus the rate, because we're adding on here. So now our new original is the $45. It's how much we're spending with the discount. So now the shoes will cost $45, and then we're going to tax that. So we're going to do 1 plus, we're going to take this 5%, and we're going to move our decimal 2 places. Be careful with your place value here, because we're going to have to add in that 0 to get 0.05. All right, so again, we can go to our calculator here. So now our new original is 45, open parentheses, 1 plus 0.05, close parentheses. All right, so we're going to have 45, open parentheses, 1 plus 0.05, close our parentheses out, and we're going to get $47.25. So $47.25. This is money, so I'm happy to see that I have 2 decimal places. I don't have to worry about rounding anything because it's already to the nearest cent.